Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the sticker easy to see and grip. Clean the glass so dirt won't scratch. Once done, heat the sticker for about 30 to 60 seconds with a hairdryer on medium. This softens the adhesive and makes peeling predictable. Then, use your fingernail or a length of dental floss under a corner. Saw back and forth while pulling upward to lift the edge. Keep the heat nearby so you can rewarm spots that resist. This prevents tearing and glue transfer to the glass. Now you progress to the tricky middle. Peeling the sticker steadily at a low angle reduces residue and tearing. If a section clings, reapply heat for 10-20 seconds. This prevents lifting layers that leave film. For flat residue, carefully glide a single-edge razor at about 30 degrees, keeping the blade almost flush to avoid scratches. Use light, controlled strokes. Once most material is off, apply isopropyl alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover. Let it sit briefly, then wipe with a microfiber cloth to lift remaining glue. Finish by cleaning the whole area with glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth so you can inspect for streaks or tiny adhesive patches. If you find stubborn, gum-like residue, apply adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol. Wait a minute, then scrape gently with the blade at a low angle. Repeat as needed. If you accidentally create light scratches, try a cerium oxide polish. However, if damage is extensive, stop and consult a professional to avoid work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.